So, Huawei, one of the leading technology companies, has scheduled its spring new product launch on March 23, 2023. This launch is expected to unveil several flagship products, including the Huawei P60 series, Watch Ultimate, the foldable Mate X3, and other innovative devices. Talking about the P60 series, we're just a few days away from the P60 series launch, and a new unboxing video of the Huawei P60 Pro appeared with the revelation of various amazing design specs. But before further ado, if you do end up liking what you see here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now, let's get back to the video. So, the unboxing video of the Huawei P60 Pro shows the device with a white color retail box. It has a Huawei P60 Pro label and X-Mage branding, as well as a proud logo of Kunlun glass. The retail box is also carved with "Powered by Harmony OS" at the bottom. The box is simple, and the first view lands on the brand new camera system. The light goes through that large ring in the middle. The side has a shiny frame and silver-coated volume, as well as the power button with a red indicator. The tile-like texture produces a matte touch on the rear side, which is looking absolutely beautiful. This is a new change in the P-series design scheme. The next scene draws us to the front, with that large screen and curved edges. With a closer look, we've found that it's a quad-curve display and first used in the P40 Pro. The next shot demonstrates the screen's durability of Kunlun glass, while the last frame comes towards us with a boot screen, including Huawei and Harmony OS Start the animation. This unboxing gives us our first look at the Huawei P60 series, and the disclosure of information in the video are awesome from every perspective. Especially the rear material is something entirely different than the P50 Pro. Also, the camera system has a white color, which perfectly blends into the rear case. Huawei P60 Pro camera also has a round camera on the top and a rectangular round-shaped periscope zoom on the bottom. Personally, the back of the device looks too good. The significant change in the phone is the use of shell material as a design process. A unique white color of the back panel enhances the elegance and texture of the device, making it stand out from the crowd. The innovative use of materials for the back shell adds to the device's unique features, making it a highly anticipated product. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Huawei P60 series? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.